Hello, viewers! If you're a sports lover like me, this video is just for you. Today, I'll show you an amazing way to watch live sports, TV shows, and even international channels completely free. Now listen carefully. This app is not available on the Play Store, so you'll need to open Chrome or any other browser. In the search bar, simply type CRICFy TV and press search. Click on the first official or trusted website. Scroll down, tap on Go to Download section. Then, in the New page, click on Go to Download page. You'll see two options. With VPN and without VPN, I recommend choosing without VPN. You might see a short ad, just ignore it. Once the ad ends, a new page will open. Select your device's Android version. Mine is Android 14, so I choose that. Now just scroll down and tap Download. If your phone asks to enable unknown sources, don't worry. When the file is finished downloading, open it and install. Simply turn it on, and the installation will finish in seconds. After opening the app, you'll instantly get access to live cricket, football, and many other sports. Plus, you can enjoy local and international TV channels absolutely free. The best part? No sign up, no login, just one click and you're ready to watch. So viewers, that's how easily you can enjoy your favorite matches and TV channels anytime, anywhere. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below, which sport do you enjoy watching the most? Thanks for watching.